Good morning in the morning. So I arrived in the island. Yesterday I arrived so late with the ferry boat. Now I'm on my way to meet a girl. I think she's Russian and she lives here. And she asked me to go to a ride around the island and she would show me some nice place. So 13 kilometers, not far. 21 minutes. That road is funny. When I arrived here it was night, my SD card was finished, also I couldn't film. So, woo, you see? Yeah. So, she's Poliana. She's here, right in front of me. She had before Kawasaki Versys 650. And now she are with the CRF 250. It's a nice bike. I was thinking maybe when I go to Africa, maybe one bike like that. I mean, that is not sure yet, but let's see. Anyway, so she's gonna show me a nice place now. We're gonna have a coffee there. I think it's like a kind of off-road to reach there, so it's gonna be fun. The unique thing is my tires is not the best one now, but that's okay. So nice, the coconut trees around. Pretty nice, the island. That small roads is the best ones. I just saw 2 coconuts on the ground. Okay, so that's mean that the coconut fell from the tree. And you know that coconut kills more than sharks? And yeah, at least I'm using helmet. But you know, it's crazy. If one coconut falls in your head, that's a problem.
I wish you could see me from a distance.
Nice. Until now what I saw of the island, it's very nice. I mean, I'm walking, but yeah, there is no many roads here.
Here I am in Pura Vida in Koh Tao, where that is a school dive. Yes, probably you don't know, but I have a certificate open water 18 meters, and I did it in Jeddah a few years ago. So I think here in Koh Tao is the perfect spot to dive, and I came here to Pura Vida. It's a dive school, a Spanish dive school. Actually, here in the island there is a lot of dive school, and I came to that one. I did in the morning the refresh, and now now we go to the dive. First we will do a kind of train and refresh of the movements and things that we have to do under the water, and then we go to have fun. I'm gonna film it, I think, probably, I'm not sure, but it's gonna be great. And here is the school. Everyone is getting ready, and I'm also getting ready on my mind because it's not that easy. I don't know if you have did you do that before, and what do you think? It's quite scary experience, but it's also cool. So let's do that. Just arrived in Koh Phangan, and I stopped here in the supermarket to buy something to eat, and I will go to the hotel with the bike and work a bit. It was very nice, the dive in Koh Tao, I love it, and now it's time to continue.
So I came back from the Koh Tao, and actually it was a very nice experience to go there, and also the island. I love the island. I would love to stay more there, but you know, I cannot stay that long between the islands. Anyway, I arrived today, so I'm going to the hotel where I'm going to stay probably 2 nights more here in Koh Phangan. I left my bike while I was in Koh Tao in a friend's house, so I just took it, and now I'm going to the hotel for a kind of shortcut. So, where is my hotel? Here. Milk Bay.
Something different. I came here to do pottery. I never did that. It's an experience that I always wanted to do, and today is gonna be the day because I saw, you know, here have a kind of app that you can check things to do in the island, that one and others around. So I saw that, and I think it will be a great experience. So here I think this one is always from the people who have been here.
They see nothing in your eyes. Go on, tell them all your lies. Take it all, don't bring it back. Take it all, don't bring me back. We both know we'll have to cry.
you wanna see my work? Wow, not bad, right? Okay, the teacher helps me, and this is another one. It's a frog. Could be a frog. I don't know what is that, but it's for put nuts inside. I'm not gonna carry it, but I'm gonna give it to a friend that lives here. Anyway, in this one for flowers. Super cool. And such a nice experience.
Time to leave. I'm without SIM card there, so time to leave. I did the check-in and now I'm about to leave. I was talking before but wasn't filming because the mic was disconnected. Was nice to be here in the island, but it's time to leave. Koh Phangan was really nice to be here. Thanks for those days, and now it's time to continue with the trip. So I'm here waiting and sweating because it's so hot and humidity. I'm arriving here in the Donsek port, and probably I'm gonna sleep in Suratani because tomorrow I'm gonna do a checkup, like blood checkup, like in-wall checkup here in a hospital there in Suratani. I already make an appointment and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep there, and tomorrow I will continue because the checkup is in the morning, so probably I will just leave and continue direction. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to Koh Tao, the natural park, or I will start to go directly to Malaysia. I have to think. I'm gonna decide today. So meanwhile, first I'm gonna stop to have dinner. Why? Because tomorrow I'm gonna take blood, so I have to be fasting. I'm gonna start the fasting at 8 p.m. So now it's 5. I have 3 hours. I'm gonna have dinner and drink water, and then stop until tomorrow. Yeah, I need a shower. Look, I'm sticky. Anyway. So, time to live. So, here I am, Donsek again. The last time I have been here, I had to call the insurance. I'm happy that that time didn't happen again. So I'm gonna have dinner in a kind of island that is connected by a bridge here. It's a very small island. Someone recommended me a restaurant here. It's such a nice place. Wow. Correct. It's called. Woo! Beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. Ooh. Poof. Here. Oof, my bike is something going on here. Why? Because sometimes when I'm gonna turn on the bike, it's kind of all the lights. It's like if they didn't have enough power. Wow, look, that's amazing. Beautiful. Wow. So let me try it before it gets too dark. So when I turn on the bike, sometimes it's kind of everything gets black, and like everything turns off, and it's like it doesn't have power. It's like so the food was so. The place with the someone recommended me, it was in the sun, so it was too hot, and I decided to go there. So I chose another place that the food was so. I couldn't eat the shrimp because it was so weird. Can you see it as I see with my eyes? Look at this guy. So what I'm gonna do? Oh la la! Turn around. So the big cloud that is there, where is the rain? I already have been here. The asphalt is wet, but I have to admit that the temperature is perfect, 28 degrees. So I just arrived a bit late, 8 p.m. I'm in the first place I saw. Room, simple but clean. Here's the toilet. Everything okay, parking just right in front of the door. That's great. A bit dark, but there is a parking. So yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early to go to the hospital to do the checkup, and then I'm gonna leave. I think to where I still don't know. So I'm gonna check now. I'm gonna take the tablet. I'm gonna take a look around and decide if I wanna see something more around here, or I just will start to go directly to Malaysia, because my hair tire, it's really bad. So it's really time to change it. So I don't wanna take a risk and do a lot of more kilometers with that tire. That's it for today. So hope you liked the video. If you like, give a like, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and see you tomorrow. Bye.